Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on a frigid Friday, February 3, 2023. We have a polar vortex dropping on our heads. We'll go down with wind chill to -45 tonight. Probably not a good night to go out ice fishing. What you have before you is quite a transformation from what you saw the last go around. This is our 1947 Higgins Speedster getting very, very close to her finish line. We have set in all of the seating for now just to make sure everything fits, because we will still be doing an additional sanding with about 2,500 grit on the decks and apply a last coat or two of Rochelle Red Epiphanes, and then we will buff it, and she's really going to look good. She doesn't look so shabby right now. We've rebuilt the splash rails on both sides. They were all rotted out, both the forward splash rail, the one that's right down at the chine, and the aft splash rail. We have, true to the Higgins Speedster specs, we have matched the original upholstery pattern. Gail Burkholder, our seamstress, upholsterer, who is incomparable, has done just a wonderful job. The original foot feed on the Speedster was painted red, as you see here, and Joe matched it. And you can see there's a wall panel, a ceiling panel over there that's just sitting. We're still waiting for Shauna Whiting, Coaching Instruments, to finish restoring her bow tie gauge panel. But if you'll look back at the videos, particularly take a look at the first video when she arrived. I'm sorry, it's impolite, but if you were to ask me, I'd say, oh my God, what whorehouse did she come out of? Well, not now. And you can see, as we apply the final paint, we'll also be doing the final cutting in and lining of the king plank and the aft king plank. And once all of that's done, we'll get to put her back together. And the other good news is sitting right here is her fully rebuilt 1947 Chrysler Ace, the original engine in this boat. Robert Henkel has completely rebuilt it. That is Robert Henkel, Peter Henkel Incorporated, Marine City, Michigan, Chris-Craft-Parts.com. If you want an engine done right, if you need parts for almost any vintage marine engine, contact Robert. He's the guy. He's our go-to guy. Every single engine ever done at Snake Mountain Boat Works has been done by Robert and his crew. I would not entrust these old cast iron engines to anybody else. So, with that, I hope you are enjoying seeing a Higgins Speedster as it's supposed to be, as she's supposed to be. We'll keep you up to date, but that's our update for today on our 1947 17-foot Higgins Speedster. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.